Hello, you have just came to Now Faith Financial Consulting YouTube page, and I want to welcome you. I am the CEO, Patty Pennington, and boy, has it been a journey. I'm so glad that you have found me. This is so exciting. So listen, my company, we offer financial consultations, basically credit repair, rebuilding your business, portfolio management, and we build business plans and things like that. So I want to take this time on this YouTube to explore some things what you could do with your savings on, when you're doing your budget, just opportunities you can take. But definitely, most of all, I want you to get with our company to let us help you into taking a credit score of 450, 500, maybe you're lower, I don't know. But if you want to make it up to 700, 750, 800, we are the right company for you. So we're right here in Las Vegas, Nevada. And as you can see, the sun is always shining. But that does not mean you cannot get that car, you cannot get that house, and even have a beautiful pool such as mine. So I want to invite you to take a few minutes to enjoy the ride. And make sure you subscribe to this page, right? And also go to my website, www.nowfaithfinancialconsulting.com. Make sure you get on our email list, and we will send you some great free tools just for you signing up. And you know what I want you to do? I want you to invite a friend. And if you just take a minute to invite 10 friends and just say, sign up, you'll get a free 30-day credit analysis and so much more. So come on, let's go. All right? Thank you.